Hey Odoo enthusiast, welcome to Cybrosys. In today's video, we're going to discuss about the delete attribute. In form view, the delete attribute controls whether the users can delete record through the form view, and if the delete attribute is set to false, then the delete button will be hidden and the user are not allowed to remove the records using that form. So this attribute is useful when the data should be kept um, intact for the audit reasons or when the deletion is not allowed through the user interface. So here you can see currently we are in one of the existing form view, and if we want to delete the record, we can just move on to the action, and here we have the option to delete. But I just need to hide this button. Okay, so I'll be using the delete attribute as it's a form view attribute. You can use the delete attribute under the form tag. So let's move on to the PyCharm, and here you can see that under the form tag here we can add the delete attribute. So let me give the attribute which is delete. So once it's been given, you can set the value as false. So you just need to run the file. So once it's been run, you can see that everything is just loading into the database, and we just need to upgrade to find the changes. And let's move on to the apps, and you can just click on upgrade. So once it's been upgraded, you can see now the changes will be reflected over here in the app. And as we just move on to the existing record, you can see the delete button is just invisible from here. So if you want to make that visible, either you can just remove the delete equal to false, or you can set it as delete equal to true. If we are setting the attribute as delete is equal to false, then the button will be hidden. If you are setting it as delete is equal to true, then you can see the button will be visible over there. So I'll show you how the changes is taking place. So let me set it as true. Now again, let me move on to the apps and let's upgrade the changes that we have made. Now let's move on to the record, and here you can see as we just set the value as true, the delete button is visible over here. Or you can just remove that attribute from the form tag, like delete equal to true, or just keep that attribute as nil over there. Okay, so that would like you to do with the deletion in the record. So that's all for today. So if you find this video informative, please do like, share and subscribe our channel. If you want Odoo customization, Odoo implementation and Odoo tutorial videos, feel free to contact Cybrosys. As always, stay awesome and thank you for watching the video.